Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix PayPal name using PayPal application. The PayPal application on iPhone does not currently offer a direct way to edit your legal name associated with your account. So in order to fix your name on PayPal using iOS, the first thing you'll need to do is to contact PayPal customer support. Launch open the PayPal app and make sure to sign in to your account. After you are inside the main homepage of PayPal, tap on the human icon at the top left corner. Once you open up the profile page, scroll down and click on the Help option. You will reach out to the Help Center page, for where search for name change or similar query from the given FAQ options. If you don't find relevant information, tap on Contact PayPal Support. Now go ahead and tap on the Call Us button at the bottom and directly contact the PayPal's customer support team. Request them to make any kind of necessary edits for your name you want, and then you might be able to fix your issue. Another thing you could do is to make sure that you are accessing your PayPal account through a web browser. Sometimes the web interface might offer additional options unavailable in the app, so if you go ahead and use PayPal with a web browser, you might be able to fix your issue. There you will be able to find an option to edit your name. So those were some of the fixes you could try out to fix PayPal name using the PayPal mobile application using your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.